Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online business with QuickBooks. Easy to protect your online business with QuickBooks, start by setting up a secure account. Visit the QuickBooks website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Choose a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Next, organize your financial data by creating separate accounts within QuickBooks. This helps to keep your personal and business finances distinct. Regularly back up your QuickBooks data to avoid losing important information. Use the automatic backup feature or export data manually to a secure location. Next, familiarize yourself with QuickBooks security features. Utilize user permissions to control access for employees or team members. Restrict access to sensitive information, allowing only authorized personnel to view it. Keep your QuickBooks software updated to protect against vulnerabilities. Regular updates often contain security patches and improvements. Monitor your accounts regularly for any unauthorized transactions. QuickBooks provides reports and alerts to help you stay informed about your financial activities. Consider using QuickBooks built-in fraud detection tools. These tools can alert you to unusual activity within your accounts. Educate yourself and your team about online security best practices. Promote awareness of phishing schemes and other cyber threats that target businesses. Finally, establish an incident response plan. This plan should outline steps to take if you suspect a security breach or data loss. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your online business with QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.